Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to my channel. Today we learn how to find mutual friend in Snapchat. Very easy. Guys, this is very simple process. Everyone can do it very easily. First we tap on Snapchat and go to your profile and little bit scroll down. Tap on my friends and you can see mutual friend is here. This is all people is your mutual friend. You can see. So I hope you like the video and this video is helpful for you. So guys, please subscribe my channel, like the video and leave the comment in below, and don't forget to press bell icon for new updates. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.